So last video it is about basics in data analysis. Now this video is for concepts of variables. So the variables are dependent and independent variables. So discuss what is the dependent and what is the independent variables. And observe this example or this image: independent variable and dependent variable. Here the independent variable is time spent on studying, and the dependent variable is grade secure. So what is independent and what is dependent variables? So dependent variable means it is results. Independent variable, the results is influenced on some factors. The factors are independent variables, the result is dependent. Let's discuss these concepts in clearly and see this example. What affects a student's arrival to class? Some variables are there here: place of college, distance, time, and mode of transportation. So these are the different variables which are going to influencing the student's arrival to the class. The results is here the student's arrival to the class, and the variables which are going to be influencing with that result. Here this is place of the college, it is inside the city or outside the city. The distance, it is for 2 kilometers and etc. Time, that means walking, arrival time or wake up time and etc. And mode of transportation, what the student has used for arrival to the class. So these are the variables which are influencing the student's arrival to the class. So in this, dependent variables, are here the results, students arrival to the class, and independent variables is all this. Let's say this: what is an independent variable? The variable, it is unstable and unaffected by the other variables. It refers that the condition of an experiment that is systematically manipulated. That means the independent variables which is not possible to manipulate as easily. What it is happened, we need to record it, but this recorded information is going to influencing the result. The result is dependent variable. Independent variable is which is not possible to manipulate. Just we need to record it as it easily. Basing on our measurement, we need to record it as it easily, and we are going to be considering result. That is independent variable. And dependent variable, so it is a result, the result of an experiment. It is treating as a dependent variable. See this: the experiment is possible to manipulate, but independent variable, it is not possible to manipulate. Based on independent variable, we need to manipulate the dependent variable. Why? It is a result. Independent variables are not possible to manipulate. Why? Only we need to record it, what it is happened exactly, and see some practical examples for understanding clearly the dependent variable and independent variables. See this in this example: 2 plus some value is missing here, and how much. In this example, the results is depending on one variable. The results is depending on one variable. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. The 3 is depending on the 2 plus 1. The 1 is independent variable and 3 is dependent variable. See this: 2 plus 2 equals to 4. In this here, 4 is result, 2 is independent variable. And another example: 2 plus 4 results, 6 is dependent variable. The variable which are changing and which is influencing the result is independent variable. Let's see another one: 2 plus 50 equals to 52. The 50 is independent variable, 52 is dependent variable. And say this: in every example, we can observe that one number is changing. The number is 2, 4, 50, and it is influencing the result. Therefore, the result is depending on the number we change. The variable, something that can be changed, it is treating as independent variable. And see this, in our example, the number we changing were called simply the variables here, if it is independent or dependent.